Hey guys, so with holidays around the corner, I thought this would be a great time to share some really nice curated Asian skincare gift sets because you guys know I'm all about Asian skincare. Hi, my name is Dr. Jenny Liu. I'm a board certified dermatologist and welcome back to my YouTube channel. On this channel here, we talk a lot about Asian skin and hair care. So if you're into that or just looking for ideas for gifts to gift to a loved one or friend, you're come to the right place. Please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that notification button and subscribe to my channel. Okay, before we start, I just want to mention that these are truly products I think that are worth it. They come from both Japanese and Korean brands that I love. I try to find a little variety, so hopefully there's something for everyone. Now, even if you're not looking for gift sets to gift, these in general, number one, make great ways for you to try out a particular line, a particular brand, or to just basically get for when you are traveling yourself, because often these are TSA friendly and really easy to kind of pack on your carry-on. Gift set number one is Round Lab 1025 Dokdo Travel Skincare Gift Set. So great for traveling, but it really features Round Lab, which you guys know they've been viral for their elegant sunscreen. But Brown Lab's Dokdo line, I believe, is their most popular line from the brand. So this really features kind of many of everything from this line, including the cleanser 1025 Dokdo cleanser, toner, ampule, and cream. And Dokdo, I feel like, is a line that's really meant to kind of be gentle for those who really need calming and soothing effects from their skincare. And so this one really kind of contains everything that you need for when you're traveling. So you want to simplify, you want to make sure that your skincare is not irritating, focus on hydration and barrier support and repair. And so that is what this whole line is. They're formulated in a gentle way, like low pH cleanser that is really effective at cleansing. The toner and the ampule helps to add back hydration and soothe the skin barrier. So really great for anyone, like I said, that's looking for the basics for when they're traveling or just want something to help support their sensitive skin. Gift set number two is the Estra Ado Barrier 365 Mini Hydrating Bestseller Kit. So this really has pretty much all the bestsellers from Estra Ado Barrier 365, which is really one of my favorite lines from Korea, period. It is such a lovely, just non-irritating, soothing, calming, hydrating line, and has various different products really to match every skin type that really are looking for something that are just like no fuss, no fragrance, no irritation, but helping to rebuild and support your skin barrier. So this kit includes the gentle pH balancing foaming cleanser that's really nice, the face serum, and cream. And of course, my personal favorite from this set has to be the cream, but this again gets you a little bit of everything, especially if you're kind of wanting to try the Ado Barrier but not quite sure if you'll like it. I think this really gives you a smattering of their best products. So Estra, if you guys are not as familiar, really was born out of a Korean pharmacy formulating products at that time for a hospital for sensitive and eczema-prone skin. And it became so popular that it was basically kind of took over by Amore Pacific. Now they make it for kind of basically just anyone, the public, and really is what I've been told by my Korean skincare colleagues is that it is the best, most popular recommended brand by Korean dermatologists. So kind of almost like you can think of it as like the Korean CeraVe or La Roche-Posay, but really nice products. And the formulations are super elegant, really nice kind of balance of lipids, cholesterol, triglycerides, and ceramides that really kind of mimic your skin's natural lipid barrier, so really helping to rebuild and support that. So anyone who just is looking for a fragrance-free, non-irritating cream, serum, cleanser, but also especially if you are dry and prone to eczema. Next gift set gives me a little bit of nostalgia. This is actually one of the very first skincare brands that I've ever tried ever. And it's actually a Japanese skincare line, and it's a cult favorite in Japan. And hopefully I'm saying this right, but it's called Sakise Beauty Herbal Hydration Kit. So this is one of my very first skincare purchases that I made with my own money back in high school, college, but this is when I was just starting to get into skincare, and this line from Japan was super popular in China. I think it still is. I mean, it's been around for a long time, so it's definitely very well trusted and respected line in general, but it's made by Kosei. And it was super popular at that time, known for its hydrating benefits and brightening benefits, which obviously are two of the most common concerns in China. And it really utilizes Japanese herbal formulation, and that's really kind of the core of their innovation. Aside from that, it is beautifully packaged, kind of gives a more of that elevated look. So really ideal to gift to someone that you love or just really appreciates beautiful package skincare with just lovely formulations. But in this kit, you're getting the cleansing oil, cream wash, hydrating lotion, gel moisturizer, all to boost moisture, brighten the skin, and kind of that gentle Japanese skincare approach. So really great if you're looking to just try Japanese skincare, haven't really tried, but not sure where to start. I think would be a really great place to start. I think the textures are very lightweight. They really hone in on hydration. I'm not using super heavy or greasy products. So if you are somebody who is more oily combination skin, wanting to try new Japanese skincare products, this one would be really great. Or if or if you yourself struggle with kind of more dull skin, dehydrated skin, this line in general is really ideal for that. So great for anyone who's just, like I said, really loves beautifully packaged, like elegant Japanese skincare, or anyone interested in kind of trying a cult favorite from Japan. Highly recommend Sakise. Next, another really popular Korean brand, Skin 1004, and this is the mini cleansing duo plus ampule skincare gift set. So this is like a 3-step routine that features some of their best sellers, including the lightweight centella cleansing oil that I absolutely love. It's a great lightweight cleansing oil that really kind of rinses off, melts away makeup, sunscreen, debris without really any residue. But in this set, you're getting kind of that double cleanse routine there, because you have the cleansing oil and then their gentle centella ampule foam that rinses off any residual debris without stripping your skin. And then their best-selling centella ampule that is like a lightweight serum. As you guys know, the Skin 1004 centella line, the Madagascar line, is really well known for using centella in the ingredients to help calm, soothe, and support the skin barrier. So this is just a really fun one to gift for anyone that I think really loves like Korean skincare. You kind of get, number one, a very well-known popular Korean brand that is really just nice for sensitive skin, beginner friendly, suitable for everyone. And then you get to experience that really popular double cleansing step in this routine, along with a serum to follow that helps to support any sort of sensitivity, helping to rehydrate the skin and soothe the skin barrier with the centella. So just like a really nice gift set for anyone, like I said, especially for anyone who loves K-beauty. Now for the next level up K-beauty lover, you gotta give them the Bio Dance, the Real Deep Mask gift set. So this includes 4 of the really popular viral Biodance hydrogel sheet mask, the one that you leave on overnight and you peel off, revealing like really nice dewy glass skin. I love using this, especially when I'm traveling. I find that international travel, makes my skin so dry and just jet lagged. And then also before an important event, it's really fun because you're getting kind of your skin really set up for like nice event, looking glowy, makeup applies really nicely afterwards. But yeah, this is really fun for anyone who's just really into K-beauty and love the Korean sheet mask. And obviously you guys know the collagen one is what's popular, the pink one, but there's actually 4 different types in addition to the pink. So there is the Hydro Cera, that's the blue one, that's deep hydration. There is the refreshing sea kelp, and then I think that's more for like oily skin maybe. And then there is the Radiant Vita Niacinamide that is great for brightening. So it just kind of gives you a smattering of the most popular ones. So you get the pink, the blue, the green, and the yellow. So it kind of really makes an easy self-care, like making someone feel really just cared for, self-pampering, that luxury feel without really super expensive price point. So anyone who's just looking to experience the fun of these hydrogel sheet masks, anyone who's really struggling with dull, dehydrated skin, visible pores, skin texture, looking just for a really quick temporary fix, this sheet mask is really nice for that. Or, buy some and save it for yourself when you're traveling or you need some R&R time. This is really ideal. Next, a little more high-end, so great for moms or loved ones, but the Decorte Liposomal Advanced Essential Sets. So Decorte is, I would put Decorte is a luxury Japanese skincare brand, but they're really well known for liposomal skincare. So really in this line, it's featuring their best sellers. It's a 3-piece kit that includes the advanced liposome advanced serum, liposome eye serum, and then repair cream. And then this, what it does is liposome is really a delivery system that basically allows deeper and more effective delivery of actives in repairing the skin, improving skin hydration, for that kind of smoother, silky, glass skin look. But I guess in Japanese skincare, you would call that probably like mochi skin. I think that's the term, instead of glass skin. But yeah, this is just really a beautifully packaged gift set, very elegant, kind of that next level up, making someone just feel very loved. And it's premium skincare. So anyone who's interested in trying out a really well respected, well known luxury Japanese skincare line, but not sure where to start, what to use, I think this is definitely one of the top ones I would recommend. And then as far as skin type, anyone who is stressed, dehydrated, dull, and looking for something that's gentle yet effective and not overwhelming the skin, this would be really ideal. Last but not least, Haru Haru Wonder Cleanse and Glow Set. So this is a 3-step K-beauty routine featuring the black rice cleansing oil, black rice triple AHA gentle cleansing gel, so double cleansing, and then one of my favorite products from Haru Haru, the black rice hyaluronic toner, and it's unscented, so even ideal for sensitive skin. So focuses on, again, the traditional double cleansing, with Korean skincare, followed by the hydrating toner or essence. Really great for anyone who's just, again, kind of new to Korean skincare, wanting to experience Korean skincare, wanting to simplify their routine, looking for gentle fragrance-free skincare that is approachable even for those who are sensitive and have reactive skin, or just wanting to try a really popular Korean skincare line that really has wonderful formulation. This is really an ideal gift set for that. So skin type wise, I think anyone that's looking to hydrate, calm, and soothe their skin, that's maybe more normal oily in combination. For dry skin, I think the toner itself is not going to be enough. You definitely want to add on your own moisturizer, but that's not to say dry skin can't use it. It's just what's all in this kit is probably not going to be the most suitable for those with dry skin. But I think if you have oily in combination skin in the summertime, that toner can definitely be kind of your watery moisturizer in many ways. But yeah, and the black rice is great for hydrating the skin barrier and brightening the skin. So anyone with more sensitive, dull skin, this kit would be really nice for that as well. All right, guys, so that's a wrap on my recommended Asian skincare gift sets for the holidays, including, some of my favorite Japanese and Korean skincare lines. Have you tried any of these or planning to gift any of these? I think, again, these would make wonderful gifts. I try to pick, like I said, different levels and different concerns, different price points, different packages, and different, for different people, but also great way for you to experience some, lines and products that you may be interested in, but otherwise would not have a chance to. In my mind, that's what I feel like the other benefit of holiday gift sets is, not just to give to other people, but for you to purchase and try yourself. Anyways, let me know what other questions you have about these products in general, or what other holiday gift sets you've been eyeing this season. Again, thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time.